Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will review these R34 Nissan Skyline GTR on 1/24 scale by Hotworks models. So this is a very detailed 1/24 scale, although it doesn't have opening doors, but it has extra parts that you can put, like interchangeable to regular R34 GTR to I think it's a Z2 parts, and there's a lot of stuff you can do with this one. Yeah, so let's take a look at the model first. Nice detailed rear with a Skyline logo there. The license plate, I just put it, and stock wheels. Inside is detailed as well. I don't know if you guys can see the interior, but it's pretty much detailed for its scale. I have these for like I think 10 years now, so it's a little bit dusty. The only thing you can open is the hood because they wanted to showcase the engine. So let's go with the parts that you can change. First, we can change the hood from a regular hood to a Z2 hood, and we can change that like that. And also you can change the rear bumper from a stock one to a Z2 rear bumper, which is nice. And also change the front. I think I actually did. This is for the Z2 front bumper. This is the regular one, I guess. I'm not sure. It has a diffuser, so probably this comes with these. Just can't remember why I didn't put it at the same time. Yeah, so yeah, that's the regular one. You can also change the rims, the wheels. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's the Z2 wheels. You can also change the wings. This one is a carbon fiber one compared to this regular one. So yeah, you can just change it. It has a Nismo logo there. You can also change the exhaust system from this one to this one. You can also add side skirts. Yeah, these are the side skirts. I think this is the regular one and this is the Z2 one. So two of those. Also have has a regular bucket seat. These one have a harness in it, so you can change it. As far as the engine, I think this is the regular engine. It has a S1. You can put that. You can change that to S1. Also have a R, comes with a R1. Yeah, you can also change these, and you can also change the I don't know what they call these, like a shock something. Has also Nismo radiator. I don't know, intercooler. What's this? I can put it there inside. Also have a extra steering wheel, extra shifter, fire extinguisher, and disc brakes and rotors. This one comes with a regular one, and this one is I think it's a cross-drilled disc brake, so you can change that one as well. And also, the nice thing about these models is you can adjust the camber and the height. Yeah, you can adjust the height and the camber of the wheels. So yeah. It says Hotworks Racing Factory 124 NIssan Skyline GTR. Yeah, it's a pretty nice model actually. It's like a detailed for its scale, but nice. It's also in Bayside blue, so it's a nice model. So we're gonna try to put it, like, change the bumper, make it a Z tune. So yeah, or maybe put it in stock, because I want it, because I also have a white one, so I want it to be this Bayside blue as a stock one, and the white one will be the Z one, Z tune one. Okay, so give me a moment, I'll just exchange it. So I just removed the base. So as you can see, this is the mechanism that makes the car. You can adjust the camber and the height. So it just look like these. It's pretty nice actually how they made these cars. So you can put the small radiator here, but we're not gonna put it because we're putting these back into stock one. So yeah, so you can see, and also remove the interior. Let's see how we can remove this. There you go. So yeah, you can change the seats like that. It's a little bit dusty. Nice. Also, that's the interior. I'm not gonna touch the engine because I think it's a stock. So for you to be able to switch it, you just need to press these, I guess. I think. Yeah. Hold on. Can't remember how to remove it actually. Let's try oh, it's actually the regular one. Hmm. I didn't even notice it. Okay. I don't need to change it at all. What the heck? Okay then, my mistake. At least I showed you guys the inside, right? So yeah, let's just try to put it back together, clean it a little bit because it's dusty, and we're good to go. So that's it, guys. So this is our Nissan Skyline GTR 34 on 1/24 scale by Hotworks Racing Factory model cars. I know they don't do any models anymore, and I'm so happy that I got this one. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's another white one that is coming up, RX-7 and a 350Z, same brand. I'm gonna do a separate video of those cars, and hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and see you guys next time. Bye.